Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our math tutorial series, we will be reviewing commission paid in a real estate transaction. Commission is a portion of the sales price paid to the parties involved in a real estate transaction. In this video, we will be using the TBar method. If you are unfamiliar with the TBar or need a refresher, please refer to the video link at the top of the screen or in this video's description down below. Let's practice our first commission problem together. A home sold for $200,000 with a 7% total commission charged. What is the amount of commission the seller will need to pay? Setting up our TBar, we place $200,000 on the bottom left and 7% on the bottom right. Multiply $200,000 by 7% to find the total commission of $14,000. Brokerage firms may also take a split of your commission. You'll need to work out a second TBar to find the broker split. Let's try another problem. A home sells for $360,000 with a total commission of 6%. There is a listing agent and selling agent involved in the transaction, and they will split the commission equally. The listing agent has a 75% split with their brokerage, and the selling agent has a 50% split with their brokerage. How much did the listing agent receive in commission? What's important in this question? We are looking for the amount the listing agent received. The home sold for $360,000 and the total commission is 6%, half of which went to the listing agent, which is 3%. Additionally, they have a 75% split with their brokerage. Let's set up our first TBar. $360,000 multiplied by 6% equals $21,600 total commission. We will take this one step further to find the listing agent's portion. When commission is split equally, you know they each receive 50%. $21,600 multiplied by 50% equals $10,800 for listing side commission. Alternatively, you may find the listing agent's split and multiply the total sales to find the same result. $360,000 multiplied by 3% equals $10,800 for listing side commission. Don't forget about that brokerage split. The last step to this problem is determining how much of the listing side commission will go to the agent. This agent has a 75% split with their brokerage. $10,800 multiplied by 75% equals $8,100. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.